Welcome to our light tunnels product introduction video. Here, we'll show you our innovative light tunnels, the best lighting solution designed for automotive package showroom repairs, car washes, and detailing. Professional lighting service. Light tunnels utilize the latest LED technology to provide high-quality, even and impact-free illumination, ensuring that every repair, car wash, or refinement is done to a professional standard. Innovative material design. Combining aluminum and PC coverings, light tunnels are not only durable, but also resistant to the impact and corrosion of daily use, providing long-term security for your lighting needs. Here are the features of our products. Innovative design. Light tunnels feature an innovative design that is not only stylish, but also has excellent functionality to make your showroom stand out. Energy-saving and environmentally friendly. Using LED technology, light tunnels are energy-saving and environmentally friendly, adding a green label to your corporate image. Easy installation. Light tunnels are designed for easy installation, so you can easily complete the installation without additional professional technical support. Personalization. We support personalization, provide customized lighting solutions according to your needs, make your showroom unique. Full service. We not only provide high-quality products, but also provide a full range of after-sales service and technical support to ensure that your experience is always the same. Whether you are a car repair shop, car detailing business, or car wash, our high-quality lighting fixtures will provide the perfect illumination for any task. Our light tunnels are designed with the latest technology to provide the most efficient and effective lighting possible. Welcome to subscribe and contact us.